First, you need to prepare 2 chicken breasts, weighing about 400 grams each. Wash them thoroughly, and then pat them dry with paper towels. This step ensures that when you pan-fry the meat, it will brown nicely and not splatter oil. Use a knife to lightly score a diamond pattern on each piece. Note: only score about half a centimeter deep and do not cut through the meat. This scoring helps the seasoning penetrate deeper and ensures the meat cooks tenderly without becoming tough. A friendly greeting: where are you from? Please comment below so I can greet you in your native language. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the top of each chicken breast. Then use your hands to gently massage the seasoning into the crevices of the meat. You know, chicken breast is a very protein-rich meat, low in fat, and relatively low in calories compared to many types of red meat. Therefore, it is very popular, especially among people on a diet or trying to lose weight. And if prepared properly, chicken breast is not dry at all, contrary to what many people think. Alright. Now let the meat rest for 5 minutes before moving on to the next step, coating with flour. Place about 3 tablespoons of flour on a plate. Then roll each chicken breast piece in the flour. Just lightly coat the outside. No need for a thick layer. If you are on a strict diet, you can skip this step and pan fry directly. However, a thin layer of flour will help retain moisture better and make the sauce stick more evenly. While waiting for the flour to rest, let's mix up a little sauce to add flavor to our chicken breasts. We have minced garlic cloves, two tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a lemon. Don't forget to mix them all together. This sauce creates a harmonious flavor, slightly salty, tangy, and mildly sweet, helping the chicken breast not taste bland, which is very important for people on long-term diets to avoid getting tired of healthy food. Have you subscribed to my channel today? I hope we can connect with each other through the subscribe button below. Thank you very much. Now, let's move on to pan frying these chicken pieces. Turn on the stove, heat the pan, add a little vegetable oil, and a small piece of butter. When the pan is hot, add the chicken pieces, one by one. Fry each side for about 4 to 5 minutes, until golden brown. Keep the heat low, so the chicken breast cooks evenly from the inside out. You can also cover the pan to make the chicken meat softer. Properly cooked chicken breast will be golden brown on the outside, tender and moist on the inside, not dry. If it seems dry, you can add a little butter to increase the moisture. When the chicken breast is cooked evenly on both sides, pour in the sauce you prepared earlier. Flip the chicken over to ensure it is evenly coated with the sauce. When the chicken breast is cooked evenly on both sides, pour the prepared sauce over it. Flip the chicken over to ensure it is evenly coated with the sauce. When the sauce simmers gently, reduce the heat and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes to ensure the meat is fully cooked and well seasoned. Look at that tempting chicken breast. I really want you to come to my kitchen to experience it firsthand. Just take it slow, step by step, and you'll have a dish that's both delicious and good for your health and figure. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.